not sure how to pronounce this one, but we're on Jalan Werkudara, I think it is, or something like that. It's a public holiday today. May, what are we, the 27th? So a lot of the little shops aren't open. But most things still open. Little supermarket, so we're just going to duck in there and see if we can get some refills for our insect repellents. So we just stopped at one of the local little supermarkets or convenience stores, like Cartel Mart. Picked up some refills for our insect repellent machines. So yeah, 20,000 rupiah, so roughly probably somewhere between $1.50 and $2 Australian. And yeah, spur of the moment thing, found this souvenir type thing, Bali Uno. So kids like playing Uno, so that was 96,000 rupiah, so probably about $8. So pack this in our bag and we'll keep walking. So I don't know this area, this is the first time walking down these streets for me. Not much going on down this street. Now, the shop I wanted to look at is closed, so if anyone's found that online, 1917 Jersey store, closed today being a public holiday. I think we're almost to Jalan Legian now. Morning. The BOSS Hotel. And the Aqua Hotel. Plenty of souvenirs. If you're a coffee lover, there is coffee shops everywhere, and I really like the coffee over here. It's a lot. No shortage of places you can get a coffee. Probably around the 30 to 40,000 rupiah. Alright, so this is Jalan Legian.